Hello everyone, welcome to Snip tutorial. So in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can recover lost memory on your PC. So what is happening basically to my PC now is that my PC tends to just eat up memory on my hard disk without me doing anything. I don't have any file, I'm not doing anything, but I just get to be my file just gets to be finishing like that. My storage just keeps on deleting, adding some things to my system that I don't know, maybe from the internet or the particular file I don't even know anything about. So the first thing to do is you can view options, then you click on view. This on don't show now. Supposed to be on show. Then so you change it to show even files, then hide say yes, then apply, click OK. Check my memory now, it has gone on again. I did not install anything. When we started this video it was 2.24 gigabytes. If I refresh again, something will pick up. That's how it's just doing. So what we're going to do now, we're going to check the hard disk to see where that problem is coming from. So open your hard disk, then go to users, username, then app data, local, and check your temporary files, TMP. I see a lot of files here that you don't even know what they are doing. You don't even know they are doing. So I'm going to check the size of this property, what is all these files now. So I have about 130 MB of files that I don't know what they're doing. So what you're going to do now is just to delete them. That's one way to go about it. So you just hit shift delete and clear everything from that memory. But this is not the safer option to go about it, because you don't know what those files are there for. But if you are sure of the files, you can just delete it and just go away from it. But for me, I'm not going to do that. So I'm not going to delete files. So there's an application I can use to just check the amount of memory that is being used, the amount of storage space that is being used for unnecessary files. So I can use my antivirus to do that. So I'm going to load my antivirus now, and when I load it, we're going to start one-click optimizer for it. So this is antivirus I use, Bitdefender. So go to utilities on the dashboard when you've installed the application. You can I'll be adding the link for you to download this antivirus below the video. So what you're going to do, basically click on utilities, then you click on one-click optimize my disk. So it's going to optimize, check the junk files, the recycles bin files, all the different files that they are taking space on your system. Is going to look for it and bring it up, and the analysis, the result of the analysis is going to set. So I'm going to pause the video now. When it's done, I'll play the video back. So hello, we're back now. The optimization is completed, and this is the result of the analysis that the defendant virus did. So basically you can view details of the files, so you know, okay, this is what I want, this is what I don't want, so I can keep this, I can do that. So basically these are the things that are taking up the space. Imagine there is almost 50 gig storage on my hard drive that is being taken by some junk files that I had nothing to do about, that I don't even know anything about it. You see, temporary files, Windows cache, recycles bin. So these are the files that are just taking up space. Compared to what we saw in the temp folder before, the analysis, the properties of the game provider did not bring complete size of everything. All complete size of everything that was not brought up to us, and we don't know what is the correct thing to delete from there. So that we do not affect something. Though basically, even if you delete something, it shouldn't affect your OS file or anything, but it might affect some applications that you installed. So the safer way to go about it is using One-Click Optimizer by Bitdefender. If you have another option you can use. So now you can see my private settings, so I can keep my browser cache. I think I should leave this one. I'm not going to delete this, but this is going to go. So I'm going to go back and optimize what I selected. I unselected the rest and optimize now. So One-Click Optimizer is doing this cleanup for me, and after that I'm going to get my black space. I'm going to get a free space of about 50 gig against the chunk files. I don't know what they're doing in my system, but just filling my system up. I don't know. So we are done. 49 gig space cleaned, and I should view detail reports. I want to see locations of folders that have been taking up space. So from this report now, I should be able to see where the listing is coming from. So as you can see, most of them are cached file of Windows, cached file. Look at them all. Different temp files. So basically these are the junk files that are taking up space. So I can check my temp folder now. Yeah, the file has reduced from what it was before to what it is now. Yep. And I can go back to my PC now and see from 2 gig before, and I have about 51 gig back. So thanks for watching this tutorial. If this is your first time on my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. See you next time. Thank you.